Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In the last episode, we painted the garland. Now in today's episode, we will be doing the liner work on the gold portions where we have painted on the motif. So let's get started. Before we start the cone work, let me tell you the materials required. For enhancing the golden portions on the motif of Krishna painting, we need stones of sizes 4 mm and 3 mm, red, green and white also. Apart from the stones, we do need the Fevicryl 3D gold outliner along with the fabric glue to fix the stones. So let's get started with the work. The painting has at some places these kind of partitions and then the square ones, the circular ones. So wherever you have the partitions like this, we will go with the comma strokes, that is the head and tail strokes. guys, now we have completed the comma strokes wherever needed on the motif, and now we will move on to the stones fixing. For stones fixing, we need stones, as I said earlier, 3 mm, 4 mm sized stones, green, red and white. For fixing the stones on the fabric, we need fabric glue. So first you have to squeeze very little of the fabric glue on the portion where we have to fix the stones. Then on top of the glue, squeeze little bit of 3D comb outliner pearl metallic gold. Then we will fix the stones. Place a stone on top of this, give a gentle press and finally press it nicely. The excess gold liner under the stone gives you a beautiful rim effect for the stones. So friends, in today's episode we have completed the entire gold liner work. In the next episode we will be doing the face painting. Stay tuned. Until then, it's bye from Jai Shri Narayanan Creations. Thank you.